If I were a dessert, I would rather be one like this. Classy, sassy, and charismatic. The tanginess of the mangoes, the creaminess of the milk, and the soft velvety texture coming out of the China grass makes this dessert an awesome wannabe treat. The layers of the delicate textures leading way to the burst of flavors is no doubt a feast to the eyes, and I'm sure this will keep you spellbound and speechless as it melts in your mouth. Today we shall be making a mango Pannacotta. Come on, let's put it together and get this mango Pannacotta assembled. First up, the lifeline of the dessert, an ingredient which will help in binding it all together. We shall be using China grass aka agar for this purpose. Soak agar in a bowl of plain water for about an hour. This helps in dissolving the agar strands evenly. In a pan, boil the milk and reduce it, keeping it in simmer until it is slightly thick. Sweeten it with sugar. Next are mangoes. Go for the best ones which are sweet and tangier. Mango season is on, so choices are endless. Alfonsos work the best. Puree it in a blender. We will be making single servings today with many ideas put together. We will be creating layers of the dessert with range of flavors mixing in various ingredients. It's been an hour now and our agar is ready to go on the stove to get dissolved. Simple. Add the agar strands to soak water and cook it together until it dissolves. Remember, each time cook agar only as much as you require using in that working layer, or else it will set fast. Our bottom or the lower layer will be our mango puree layer. For this, we shall mix in the melted agar jelly to the mango puree and let it set for 10 to 12 minutes. Agar does not need any refrigeration to set. It sets at normal temperature and it happens quick compared to other gelatin products. Whisk in the agar jelly to the mango puree thoroughly and fast. Transfer it to the serving glasses. When you use the mango puree, don't use it without mixing the agar jelly. Definitely is not a great idea as it will mess up by sliding in by the sides, ruining your layers. Our next layer will be our highlight, the mango saffron layer. For this, we shall first take in a few strands of saffron and soak it in the milk and let it aside to infuse the flavors and the color to the milk. Once it's yellow, this is ready. To the agar jelly, add the sweetened milk next, followed by the saffron milk and the mango puree. If you add too much agar jelly, it will set like a pudding. If you keep it a little less, it will create a soft mousse-like texture. Do not cook the mango pulp with milk or else you will end up with split milk, curdling it. And add the mango puree lastly when the milk is lukewarm. Our next layer is also ready to go in. To make our presentation little interesting, I'm splashing little mango puree to the sides of the glass so it would give it a marble look when seen from the sides. If you wish, you may add in fresh mango bits too in between for added flavor. Next is a simple milk layer. We shall add the agar jelly to the milk and let it set. To top the final layer, we shall create a mango glaze. For the glaze, we shall mix in some sugar to the puree and cook it with little water. Roughly 2 tablespoons will be enough. Once sugar is melted and it forms a glazy texture, this is ready. Strain and keep aside. Our final layer will be the glaze. And if you want to keep it more dramatic, you may cut a piece of mango roughly in a mango shape and garnish it on the top. I'm sure this recipe is a must for this summer to try. So folks, what are you waiting for? Enjoy our Mango Pannacotta. Press the like button and don't be mean. Pass it on by sharing the recipe across to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook or any other social media. Join us for more updates on other social media platforms. Thank you for watching. We are on Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook. Our Twitter is up too. See you soon with new recipes. Bye bye from Hafsa.